Orlichem is not just a chemical company. We are part of a family and we celebrate you. So, here's to our family that makes our lives fun. Make the fun times fun. Make the world go round. Build our nation and build our economy.
So here's to you and everyone like you, building our nation together.
We produce locally and we ship chemicals across our nation with a state-of-the-art facility in Cape Town and presence around South Africa, as well as offering technical advice, installations and providing a complete solution-based service.
So we look forward to welcoming you into our family.
Yeah!